I told you I'm pronouncing this word wrongly? If you want to find out how to pronounce this word and a few other words correctly, then keep on watching this video. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be sharing 10 words that you are probably mispronouncing and you're right to pronounce them. And of course, you know how we do it on commonly mispronounced words. I'll also be giving us a word of the day. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you are seeing this face, hi love, please don't make it your last, okay? Join the family, turn on your notifications. Give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying this video or learn anything from this video, and hit the subscribe button below to be a member of the family, okay? And if you're not new here, hi love, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. With that, let's get right into the video. Now let's start with this word. Tari is a good chef. Chef. This word is commonly pronounced chef, but the right to pronounce this word is chef. 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 Okay? Let's get to our next word. Now, I went around asking some of my colleagues to give me some words that we commonly mispronounce, and then one of my colleagues was nice enough to give me this word. Now, this word, she said she usually pronounces this word phonics. So let's say this word is commonly pronounced phonics, but the right to pronounce this word is phoenix. 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 The first syllable of this word has a long vowel sound, so it's not phoenix, it's phoenix. 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 You get? Okay, let's go to our next word. Some motivational speakers will say, when you're on the right path, you will know. Path. This word is commonly pronounced path, like this word here, but the right to pronounce this word is path. 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 So these two words are different, even though they are pronounced almost alike, commonly pronounced alike. So the difference is this word is pronounced path. Path. Then this other word is pronounced path. Path. That is the word we use in this context. So we say, when you're on the right path, you will know. Okay, I hope this was not confusing. Alright, let's go to our next word. There are times I get lost in my head when I have really sweet thoughts. Thoughts. This word is commonly pronounced thoughts, but the right to pronounce this word is thoughts. 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 Okay? And not Alright, let's get to our next word. Now there's a story behind this particular word. When I was in school, if I want to go to the mall, I would say, I'm going to the shopping mall. And then my friend would be like, Josie, it's not shopping mall. Okay, so I had difficulties pronouncing this particular word. So that's what I'm going to share and teach you guys, okay? Now our next word is commonly pronounced chopping. I am going to the shopping mall, but the right to pronounce this word is shopping. 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 So if you're like me that had difficulties pronouncing this word, I hope this was helpful. Alright, let's go to our next word. Now before I go to our next word, let me share our word of the day. Our word of the day is AWRY. Alright. It means off the correct or expected course. The second meaning is in a turned or twisted position or direction. And with synonyms, we have wrong, astray, amiss. Now that I've shared our word of the day, let's go back to our words. Tune the radio to 97.1. Tune. This word is commonly pronounced tune, but the right to pronounce this word is tune. 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 The sound we have there is the ch sound. So you say tune. This one has two entries. So we have tune and we have tune. tune. Okay, a lot of us pronounce tune. That is actually the first entry for the US pronunciation, which is the American pronunciation of this particular word. Okay, we took an oath not to reveal the secret. Oats. This word is commonly pronounced oats, but the right to pronounce this word is oath. 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 There are some, I've given like more than 2 words with this th sound that we just pronounce the T. Yeah. So it is not oath, it is oath. 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 You get? Alright, let's go to our next word. Our next word is one very common word. I think we use it almost every day. Almost every day. It goes like this. I don't have access to the money. Access. This word is commonly pronounced access, but the right to pronounce this word is access. 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 But should not forget to put a k in this word. I know it's so much easier to say access, but the right to pronounce this word is access. Okay? Now let's go to our next word. Guys, when I found out I was pronouncing this word wrongly, I was so shocked. Okay, this word is something I actually used this particular word when I was dressing my hair. So by now you guys must have figured out what this word is. Okay, I want to comb my hair. Comb. This word is commonly pronounced comb, but the right to pronounce this word is comb. 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 The B in this word is silent. I want to have a bath so I can go to work. Bath. This word is commonly pronounced bath. It sounds as if you are pronouncing this word, but the right to pronounce this word is bath. 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 This word actually has a long vowel sound. Okay, so it's not even bath, it's bath. 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 I hope I'm not getting you confused. So if you learned anything from this video, please let me know in the comment section, okay, so I can make more of these videos. If you haven't joined the family, join the family, turn on your notifications, subscribe, and yeah, so these are the 10 words I have for you on today's video and our word of the day. I do hope to see you in my next video, so it's a date. I'll see you guys in my next video. With that, I'll say don't forget to laugh hard and love more. Mwah.